19 beauty hacks for any girly problem. It always feels good to look at your best, but there are times when you struggle in terms of your look, your appearance, or the way you present yourself. The worst part is, you don't have all the time in the world to make yourself look more presentable. You could be in the middle of something and you notice your armpits are sweating, you look haggard, and you feel insecure about it. But the good news of it all is there are beauty hacks that you can use whenever you're having a beauty emergency. Hi Muze family! We hope you're all doing great! For today's video, we will show you 19 beauty hacks that you can do whether you're at home, at the office, or traveling at someplace else. These hacks are super amazing and everything is super easy to do. These beauty hacks will not take longer than 5 minutes, and you can do it even when you're at home. It's easy, convenient, and quick, so you better grab your notebooks and pens and take note of these helpful hacks. Number 19. No more stinky feet. Do your feet stink and become all sweaty? If so, this hack is for you, and it involves panty liner pads again. To avoid the feet from sweating and sticking the smell on either your shoe or foot, put panty liner pads inside your shoes before wearing them. The pads will absorb the sweat and keep the odor locked in it. You will never have to experience sweaty feet ever again. Number 18. DIY lipstick. Are you running out of lipstick? Don't have time or budget to buy one for now? If so, you need to try this beauty hack. You can easily make a DIY lipstick anytime you want. As long as you have these 3 ingredients, you can have unlimited lipsticks for life. First, you will need coconut oil in a bowl. Next, get a piece of red crayon. Make sure the crayon is non-toxic and safe to use. You may choose whatever color you like, whether it's red, pink, orange, or mix more crayons to make a unique shade. Melt the crayon and coconut oil together and mix well. Once it's melted, transfer the mixture in a small makeup container or your old eyeshadow tubs. Let it cool and wow! You now have a new DIY lipstick. Good money saver. Number 17. Scarf belt. Did you lose weight over the past few weeks and your jeans are starting to loosen up? You don't have to change an entire wardrobe because you can still use your old jeans even when you lost a little belly. Use an old scarf and insert it in front belt packs of your jeans. Insert the scarf from your left front belt back to the right front belt pack. Tie the scarf in a ribbon and yes, you can wear your jeans and even adjust them to your new waistline. Easy scarf belt in no time. Number 16. Natural shaving gel. Some shaving gels that are store-bought can be toxic to the skin, and it might cause your underarms to darken. Divert to a more organic and natural way of shaving armpit hair by using aloe vera instead. Simply spread the aloe vera on your underarms and then leave for about 3 minutes. Shave it after and you will now have a smooth underarm ready for a day out under the sun. Number 15. Keep your shoes on your feet. We probably all have that one shoe that does not fit us but we badly want to wear them. Keep your shoes on your feet with this amazing shoe hack. Simply attach a mini shoe belt on the shoe for you to adjust your feet into it. The belt will prevent your shoes from falling off your feet. Shoe belts can be bought from the store and you can easily glue it on your loose shoe and go! No more Cinderella moments. Number 14. Lighten armpits. Ever have a dark underarm? Whiten and brighten those armpits today with this beauty hack that we're about to show you. All you need is absorbent carbon and honey. Melt and mix the 2 ingredients together until it looks sticky like wax. Once it's already sticky, apply it on your dark armpit and leave for about 20 minutes. Wipe it with a cloth or rinse it after. This hack will make your armpits lighter and brighter than before. Number 13. DIY foot scrub. Foot scrubs at spa salons can be expensive, so why not do and make one at home? This DIY foot scrub hack that we're going to show you is easy and you can find the ingredients at home, so no need to spend money. For this hack, you will need sea salt and coconut oil. Mix the 2 ingredients together until it will look like a scrub mixture. Apply it on your foot and make sure to cover all the hard parts like the sole and the heel of your foot. Once you have applied it on your foot, cover it with plastic wrap and double it with a dry cloth. Wait for about 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse. You will now have a softer foot after trying this hack. Number 12. Homemade underarm wax. Now that we have shown you a hack on how to whiten your underarm, here is a beauty hack to eliminate your underarm hair. Waxing is essential to some women, especially in their hidden parts. And if you feel insecure with having armpit hair, then this hack is definitely worth a try. You don't need to go to the waxing salon to have those hairs off, because you can wax even at home with the simplest ingredients. All you need is sugar, lemon, and water. Mix all 3 ingredients and give it to a boil. Once bubbles appear, turn off the heat and mix it more. When it looks like a sticky mixture, apply it on your underarm. Wait for a minute and then pull the hair off using a piece of paper. You can now say goodbye to armpit hair and say hello to a flawless underarm. Number 11. Reusing fake lashes. Lash extensions and fake lashes are one of the most used cosmetic tools that women use to enhance their eye makeup. But using and throwing it away will cost you more money because by then, you need to buy a new one. You can reuse your fake lashes again, but you need to clean mascara and dirt residue in it thoroughly and surely. To do so, you need micellar water and 2 cotton pads. Put a dirty fake lash on the top of a cotton pad. Next, put micellar water on it. Cover the lash with another cotton pad and wait for 5 minutes. The lash will be cleaned right after and can be used again. Number 10. Pimple ready. Pimples can be very annoying at times. No one likes a pimple, right? Thus, you need to treat them the right way for them to heal the right way as well. While there are tons of pimple remedies that can be bought from malls, boutiques, and drugstores, it is always best to heal pimples and acne in an organic way. For this beauty hack, you will only need 3 things: black soap, henna, and lemon. Mix all 3 ingredients and when it looks like a paste-like texture, put it on your pimples. Wait for 5 minutes and then rinse the spots off. Your pimples will be gone in a few days. Number 9. Body bronzer. Do you want to highlight your shoulder blades and neck area? If so, you need a good body bronzer to let your features pop out. Bronzers can be expensive as well, but did you know you can make one yourself? If you have old shimmering eyeshadows that are not in use, you can scrape them off the palette and turn it into powder. Once you have it scraped, put it in a spray container and add coconut oil. Shake the contents together and spray it all over your chest and shoulder blades. Then there you have it, a DIY body bronzer on the go. Number 8. Sweaty armpits. Do you always sweat a lot in your armpit area? If so, you need to try this hack. It can be very embarrassing when your shirt shows off a wet stain whenever you're sweating. Prevent it from happening by putting napkin or panty liners under your shirts. Simply place the panty liner in the armpit area of the shirt. It will be able to absorb the sweat without leaving any wet marks on it. You will never be embarrassed again. Number 7. Sweat stain remover. If you have severe sweat and armpit stain on your shirts and tops, you don't have to say goodbye to your clothes. You can clean it using this hack. All you need is baking soda and vinegar. Add baking soda on the top of the armpit sweat stain and then add vinegar after. Leave it for about 10 minutes and then wash. Once you rinse it off, you will not see the stain on it. It's easy, and the solution can only be found in your home. Number 6. Homemade foot treatment. This is another beauty hack for your feet. Foot treatment is very important, especially when you're always traveling and you wear different footwear every day. If your foot happens to have cracked or damaged skin, all you need to do is crush 2 tablets of aspirin and mix it in almond oil. Add the mixture to your cracked foot and keep it just like that for a few minutes. Wipe it after with wet wipes or clothes. After you do this hack, your cracked foot will be restored. Number 5. Removing makeup stain on clothes. Do you always struggle to stain your friends' clothes because of your makeup? If so, you don't have to worry about replacing their clothes or buying them a new one, because you can easily restore it in no time. With the use of shaving cream and water, you can eliminate your makeup stain from the clothes easily. Just spray some shaving foam on top of the stain, leave it for 5 minutes, and then wash it off. No stain ever again. Number 4. Treat your dry nails. Candles can be very soothing, but did you know you can use it to heal your dry fingers and nails? Simply melt the candle in low heat until it becomes liquid. Once done, let it cool for a few seconds and then dip your fingers in the wax. Let the wax fully cool in your fingertips before removing it. The wax will soften your fingertips and will leave enough moisture on it. Number 3. DIY body scrub for dry skin. Body scrubs can be bought from body shops and stores, but did you know you can make your own? Fight off dry skin and try this beauty hack at home. All you need is coffee, sugar, and honey. Mix all 3 ingredients together and lather it all over your skin. Take a plastic wrap and cover your body parts with a mixture. The wrap will help the scrub to stay on your skin, and wait for about 10 minutes and then you can wash it off. You will now have a more hydrated skin after doing this hack. Number 2. DIY lash lift and tint. Ever have a dry, lifeless eyes? Is your mascara not working enough on your lashes? If so, you might need a semi-permanent tint for it. Going to the beauty salon and having your lashes done, whether you will get lash extensions, tints, or eyelash lifts, can be very expensive. If you're always on a tight budget but you still want to look good, you can fix those lashes and bring them to life even with this useful hack. Do a DIY lash lift and tint at home with zero hassle. All you need is lash tint and some eye gel pads. To do this DIY lash lift and tint, place the eye gel pads under your eyes. This will protect your eyes from any tint residue. Once it's done, place a cotton pad on top of the eye, on the crease area. Brush the lashes apart and make sure it's flattened. Put some eye gel on your lashes and brush it upwards. Next, put a lash dye on by using a cotton bud. Stroke the cotton bud upwards and make sure each lash is covered. Wait for about 10 minutes and then wipe it off using wet makeup wipes. Once done, you now have a nicely tinted, lifted pair of lashes. With this hack, you won't bother to put mascara on every day because it already looks stunning and natural even without any makeup on it. Number 1. Yellow Teeth Remedy. Have you experienced taking a selfie and noticed that your teeth are showing a yellow color? Whether you always brush your teeth, it is not enough to keep your teeth sparkling white. If you want to have white teeth but going to the dentist is not an option, you can do this quick teeth whitening hack at home. All you need is baking soda and coconut oil. Mix the two together and apply it on your teeth. You may use your toothbrush to apply it on your mouth, leave it for about 5 minutes and then gargle with water. You will now have white teeth in an instant. Use this hack every week to keep teeth white and bright. Bonus tip. Aloe vera can be used in various ways, especially for beauty hacks. It can be used as a lip moisturizer, a natural hair conditioner, and you can even use it as a part of your skincare routine. It is also cheap and you can even plant one at home so you don't have to buy from the store all the time. Epic hack ingredient. So there you have it, guys. 19 super beauty hacks for every beauty problem. You don't have to worry about buying other beauty treatments and spend a lot of money looking good because you can all do these hacks whenever you want. It is perfect for people who love to do experiment and try new things, so you better not miss out. If you think you like this video, go ahead and click like, share, and subscribe down below. With all 19 hacks exposed, what is your favorite one? Let us know in the comment section below. That's all for today, Muze Fam. Look forward to our next video next time and catch us with another epic content. See you!